Riddle me this, riddle me that. Who is smart enough to get the AXEL tokens out of the hat? Oops, wait, it's not a hat, it's a prize wallet. Yes, who is fast enough and smart enough to get to the prize wallet? Here's how it works. Be the first to solve a riddle, and you'll be given a private key with a small number of AXEL tokens. That's your prize for being the quickest. But you will also be given 1/5 of another private key for the wallet that contains the grand prize. And anyone else who solves that same riddle will also get that same private key. That way, everyone has a chance for the grand prize, even if they weren't the first one to solve the riddle. The first person to solve all 5 riddles can combine the pieces of the private key they collected, and then they can unlock the grand prize wallet. So, join the AXEL Telegram channel if you haven't already, and keep an eye out for the next AXEL Quest riddle. Good luck, everybody, and happy token hunting!